A story of a frog with an impossible dream that came true.
The leaves are so thick in parts of the forest that less than 10% of the sunlight reaches the jungle floor. Creatures may spend their whole lives without ever seeing the sun. Here on a log was the frog with his dream.